Hello. Yes, guys. So this is a screenshot I sent to someone this afternoon, in the morning rather. Sorry, explaining exactly what was going to happen on the market. All right. So, um, and I gave him a signal that the person could buy now. You know, yeah. So, and that was the target up there. Sorry. Um, this is actually a screenshot, that I sent. And then 2 days ago, yesterday I posted a video explaining that there was something that was going to happen on the market. So, um, and it is, it has actually, it is actually gone the way I predicted, or let's say, I actually went exactly the direction that I predicted. I already told you that we're in a bullish market, and then the market was just going to do some slight movement down there. It went down to actually close on a fair value gap on a daily time frame, and then it's now heading back up. So let's go to the chart and let me show you exactly what has transpired. Let me tilt my screen. Okay. So basically, this is what has transpired so far. I think I'll go this way. So that's what has transpired so far. Okay, let me go back this way. That's what has transpired so far. Earlier on, I told you that there was this lows here, which had a lot of liquidity, and that the market was going to take all this liquidity down. And you saw when the market traded down all this way down and took down those liquidities, and it came down to this point, and now it began rising up from this point. Yeah. So what's the premise now? The premise now is that the market is going to take down the highs above here. The highs up here, the market is going to take it down. I mean, that's my target. If you're a trader, you should have target. You shouldn't just enter trades, just leave it hanging in hope that it's going to fly into the skies. That's my target. If you enter a trade, this should be your take profit level. Hit it, take your profit, and walk out. Right. So basically, what we are doing is that we are waiting for price to rise to this point and clear the highs, and then we are out of the market, hoping that where we have gotten to, price should retrace down this way, and then before it goes back up. But naturally, I don't see price retracing. I'm hoping that it's going to go back up high into the skies, and then take down this what's the name? Take down these highs. The long-term projection is that it will go up and take the highs above here as well, but it's going to be a long-term thing. So just take a profit from here, and then you exit the market, and you are through. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now let me show you what happened earlier that made me give that signal for the. So yes, on a lower time frame, on the 15-minute time frame, this is what happened. We saw the bouncing back on this area, so quickly. If I put my trend, my line here, you could see that when price got here, it got bounced up from this particular price point. You realize that it hit the place twice, and we noticed that it couldn't hold it anymore, and then it went up, and then it continued flying into the sky. So that was my premise for the entry. So it's always good to go down to the lower time frame and get it's right with the exact entry. All right, so now this is our target point. Okay, so you can go and watch the other video of where I was showing you exactly what price was going to do here, and then create an order block for you to be able to enter and go and take the highs here. Yes, so price is done exactly that, and now we are good to go. All right, so you can go and watch that old video. But should in case price reverses, let me give you the clue before I leave. It reverses, our target should be, it should reverse to somewhere around this point, okay, and price wouldn't go below this bullish candle here. Let me zoom in and explain further. This bullish candle here, price shouldn't go below it. This bullish candle here, price shouldn't go below the lowest price point of this bullish candle. Okay, so basically that is all there is. All right, so if price should reverse, it should reverse to this point and rather give you more room for a re-entry. Then you can take it from here and go back up. But if it doesn't, it might go straight up and take down the highs. All right, so that will be it for now. Okay, I'll give you more updates on that. All right, so stay tuned. All right.